Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Nikki's Cookbook. Today's recipe is an eggless moist chocolate cake with chocolate buttercream frosting. This is a very delicious cake which is moist and it has got a very chocolatey flavor, and the buttercream is also awesome and you should give it a try. Now for this I have taken the dry ingredients first. We are going to make them ready. Into this goes 1 3/4 cups of plain flour, that is maida, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Sift all these dry ingredients together. Give it a good mix and keep these dry ingredients aside. Now in another vessel we will take around half cup of oil. It is an unflavored oil, neutral tasting oil. 1 cup of castor sugar. Mix the oil and the sugar together. Now into this goes half cup of curd. Now this is at room temperature. Now we should mix all this till the sugar gets dissolved. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix everything to make one smooth emulsion. Now we're going to add the dry ingredients into this in parts, with half cup of milk also in parts, and the milk again is at room temperature. Add the remaining part of the dry ingredients and the remaining milk as well. Now once you mix all these ingredients together, we will add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, into this goes 3/4 cup of hot water and 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder, and then give it a good mix again. It is going to be a runny mixture, it's going to be a runny batter, and it will have a nice shine to it, and it shouldn't have any lumps, and it should be completely mixed up. All the ingredients should be completely mixed up. Now I have taken 2 tins of 7 inches. Now pour the batter equally in both the tins and then bake it at 160 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. And we are going to bake this at a low heat of 160 so that the cakes don't crack up and they are well cooked as well. Now in the meantime we will prepare the butter frosting. For this I have taken 300 grams of unsalted butter. This is again at room temperature, and it should not be too much runny and melted. It should still have a texture to it. Now cream the butter till it becomes smooth, and it should even change color. It should become a little pale in color. To this we will add 450 grams of icing sugar. Sift the sugar, mix it with a spatula into the butter, and then beat it with a blender, and this should be done in parts. Now we will add the remaining icing sugar to this. Sift it, mix it with the spatula, and then beat it with a beater. Now when you're using a hand blender, it will again start becoming a little thick, and it will start forming soft peaks, and it will hold on. It will have some structure to hold on. Now into this we will add around 6 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Sip the cocoa powder into the buttercream. Mix it with a spatula and then again beat it with a hand blender. It should be of a thick consistency with stiff peaks forming. Now in case you feel that it is too hard and it is like not moving at all, you can add around 2 to 5 tablespoons of milk as well. Now our cake is beautifully done. You can see how beautifully it has raised and it has not cracked up. Now I have just checked it with a toothpick inserted and it has come out clean. What I'll do is, once the cake is completely cooled down, it is at room temperature, we are going to slice it into 2 equal parts. Both the sponges, we are going to slice them into 2 equal parts. We are going to make 4 layers of this cake. Now the 4 layers of our cake are ready. Now we will use a star nozzle for the decoration. You can use any nozzle that you have because it's your cake. You can decorate it the way you want. Into the piping bag goes our buttercream frosting. It's a very easy cake and the result is just too delicious. It's too chocolatey, and Mother's Day is around the corner. You can surprise your mother with this cake, and it is a very good cake for any kind of birthday parties or any kind of occasion for sure. Now we're going to layer the cake. Just put the frosting on each layer and spread it with a spatula. I'm using a palette knife here. And then goes the second layer. Then again with the piping bag we can do the layering of the butter frosting. We are going to layer the butter frosting and the cake similarly. The cake is just too moist. It's having a very, very lovely texture. Now using a palette knife, I have even coated the sides of the cake with the palette knife and covered the whole cake with the butter frosting. Now 300 grams of unsweetened butter is just enough for this cake, and there was nothing that was remaining behind. So this is a perfect cake, 1 kg buttercream cake, and the measurements are also perfect. Now this is how you should cover the cake. And then I have just poured some chocolate ganache that I have made using 50 grams of chocolate and 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream. I've melted it over a double boiler, and it is a little runny consistency. It should have been a little more thick, but nevertheless it's okay because it definitely gives a very nice flavor. And then just make some design on your cake. I'm making rosettes here. The buttercream is really silky smooth and it has got a lovely texture. You can see how silky it is. And then similarly just make the edges at the bottom also. Now you can see the beautiful silky smooth butter frosting with eggless moist chocolate cake is ready. This cake is an absolute delight. You must give it a try. And if you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for notifications, and until next time, goodbye.